You want to fix your life, but where do you even start? Health, work, relationships? It all feels overwhelming. But here's the truth. If you're not using AI every day in your day-to-day tasks, you're already falling behind. Because AI isn't just for tech nerds or coders anymore. It's your personal coach, planner, therapist, researcher, and accountability partner, all in one. This video will show you how to fix your life using AI, one part at a time. Let's start with the most obvious, your health. You want to get fit, but every time you search how to get in shape, you get lost in a sea of videos and overwhelming information. Now, you just open ChatGPT or any AI tool and say, I'm 25 years old, 72 kilos, 170 centimeters tall. I want to lose fat and build muscle. I don't go to the gym. Give me a beginner plan, and it will. You can go even deeper. Say, I have a knee problem. Suggest low-impact workouts. Say, make me a weekly fitness plan with rest days and realistic goals. No confusion, no excuses, just action. You have a personal fitness coach in your pocket for free. And it's not just about you. Let's say your mother is diagnosed with something you've never even heard of. Before panicking or waiting days for a doctor's appointment, you can just ask AI. Explain what the illness is, how serious it is, and what treatment usually looks like in simple terms. Suddenly, you're no longer in the dark. You understand what's happening. You're calm. You can help. AI becomes your emotional anchor when life throws the unexpected. Fitness means nothing without the right food. But we often ask, what should I even eat? Now, you don't have to guess. Just ask AI, I want to gain weight, but I'm broke. Suggest 5 cheap, high-protein meals I can cook fast. Or ask, make me a grocery list for clean eating, under $30. Even more, you can ask, what should I eat today if I want more energy and focus? AI helps you eat for your goals, not just your cravings. No more random dieting. It's personal, it's fast, it's smart. Let's talk about learning. Learning a new thing used to be slow. Reading entire books, searching endlessly on Google, watching hours of videos, not anymore. Now, if you're stuck on a long chapter or complex concept, ask AI, summarize this chapter in 5 bullet points. Explain quantum computing like I'm 12. Or, turn this article into a cheat sheet. Need help studying? Ask it to quiz me on this topic. Or create flashcards from these notes. AI makes learning faster, clearer, and way more fun. In a world that's moving faster than ever, this is your edge. How about your job or work? Work is competitive, so how do you stand out? Simple, you work smart, not just hard, but with AI. Ask AI to improve your writing, and ask it to make your email sound more professional. Stuck at a problem? Explain it to AI, it will give you a solution. Need content ideas? Ask AI to create it for you. You're no longer just an employee. You're a productivity machine, powered by tools most people are ignoring. This is how you outperform the competition without burning out. So let's talk about a different emotional topic. Let's be real, relationships are hard. Whether it's a breakup, a fight with a friend, or just loneliness, we all struggle. But instead of bottling it up or Googling vague advice, try asking AI about this. I had a fight with my partner about this and that. Give me a calm message to fix it. How do I set boundaries without sounding rude? You might wonder, what does AI know about relationships? A lot. It's been trained on millions of conversations, articles, psychology guides. It gives you the most balanced advice, instantly. And when you just need someone to talk to, it listens. Sometimes, that's all you need. So here's the truth most people don't want to admit. If you're not using AI every day, someone else is. They're learning faster, working smarter, living easier. And in a few years, there will be a clear gap between those who used AI to grow and those who didn't. This is your wake-up call. You don't need to fix your whole life today, just take one step. Ask AI to help with one thing, your meals, your routine, your next decision. Small wins, every day. That's how life changes. This isn't just a video, it's your starting point. Don't just watch, do something now.